was my favorite teacher in school. And I also remember the teacher they were most terrified of in school. It was an Urdu teacher, Miss Jahan. So again, I don't know if she's also passed away. May, Allah give her the highest place in heavens. So it was for me, a dream come true that I could enter the school. When Sister Elizabeth had come over, they'd spoken about the old building. This is the oldest church, even before St. Patrick's Church, the first church was here, and it needed some repairs. We did some work on St. Patrick's Cathedral a few years ago, and then I told Syed Sardar Shah, fortunately Sardar Shah Sahab, apart from being the Minister of Education, is also the Minister for Culture, and he has this interest and eye on history. So I told him, and he's told me that the heritage people have already visited, and I promised that we'll restore the building in its original shape, maintain it, and inshallah, we'll do it soon. You'd asked me for some roads around the school.
मुराद अली शाह कराची में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं और उन्होंने सेंट जॉर्ज स्कूल के साथ के हवाले से कहा कि मेरी स्कूल के साथ बहुत